Hey everybody, Jay here at LockNLube, and today we're talking about the Alemite 500 and what you get when you buy one from us here at LockNLube. If you've seen our other videos, you know that we love the 500 series from Alemite. The 500, the 555, the 586, they're great grease guns, they're long-lasting and durable, and we like them a lot here. Now with the 500, you're going to get a lever action gun that's going to put out about 10,000 psi and deliver an ounce of grease in about 30 strokes. So it matches the LockNLube 151 in terms of the volume and the pressure that it can put out. Now in addition to what you'd get stock off the shelf with this, we're going to include an inline hose swivel, the LockNLube grease coupler, as well as a free rebuild kit for the coupler. The reason for the swivel is that when you're greasing with the LockNLube grease coupler, you may want to rotate it so that your thumb can be in different positions. So that swivel gives you the flexibility to rotate the hose and the coupler without having to move the gun at all. Now with the LockNLube grease coupler, you're going to lock onto the Zerk fitting. It's not going to leak, it's not going to pop off. It's the best grease coupler in the world, and with our rebuild kits, it also has the lowest lifetime cost. So if the seal or the jaws ever wear out on the coupler, you can just put in a new rebuild kit, replace the tip with the one we include, and you're good to go. You don't have to buy another coupler. If it ever happens again in the future, you can get another rebuild kit from us, or from your local dealer. Thanks for watching, and you can learn more at LockNLube.com.